Now, ladies and gentlemen, about 6 weeks ago, we grafted over some trees. This tree is approximately 10 years old, and here now you can see how the grafts have developed. There is the sealing wax, and here are the new shoots. So that means that the graft is taken, and so therefore that's the old variety, and this is the new variety which is now growing. If we look at the next one, up there the same, the graft is doing very well. And so that's good. But this one here, there was a problem. And I saw the graft was not developing properly. And so I got hold of some tree wax and I filled the hole in with this flexible wax. It's called tree wax, Vitex tree wax. And look at it, the graft is growing beautifully. So there's a lesson here. If you graft your trees over, again, it's fine, but make sure that the sealing is 100% and go back 2 to 3 days, 3 days later, because sometimes tiny holes develop either through cracking or something else, and fix the hole, make sure that it is completely sealed, and you get 100% take if you're lucky. Thank you for watching.